Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys, for yet another install on our 2022 WRX. We're actually going to be installing the Sport Grille and the fog light LED trim. So depending on which video you're watching, if you want to see the other one get installed, you can tune into that one. I'm going to be filming both of the installs at the same time. So these are the two parts laid out. We have the Sport Grille up top. We have the fog light LED trim. This does have like a gloss black. If you get like really close, it does have like a little bit of flake in it, but it's mainly gloss black. And then it just has that hexagonal pattern here. This is just like a pre-wire. It's supposed to have, it's supposed to be a plug underneath the dash that we plug into. And just to show you what we're replacing, depending on which video you guys are watching, you're either going to be watching us replace the grille or the fog light trim on the side here. So this is all just like that hexagonal pattern. So all that's going to get swapped out to the new. So the next steps, we do have these 10 mils right here. We do have a couple pop clips on the side. We do have some more of these pop clips. These you push in, then they pop out. And then we have a couple clips on the bottom. Clip, clip. So once all those come off, the bumper should just come right off. So I'll get you guys set up on the stand and we'll take this bumper off. Well, that was pretty easy. Like I said, it was just clips on the side, clips on the bottom, some bolts up top with a couple clips, and you just pulled from each side, popped right off. So this is what it looks like behind the bumper. It's kind of cool that this year they have like it's like definitely it has like a shroud where it like definitely diverts the air towards the condenser and the radiator there. So I don't think it was that like robust or that like defined before. I think it was like some styrofoam on the side. This is rubber, but I mean it's like, it's sturdy. So to install the grille, we do have these screws here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like we got 6. The whole thing should come out. Obviously, we just got some clips up here, but let's start on that. With the stock grille off, just want to get a comparison. Sport grille on the bottom, stock grille up top. So I really like the gloss black. I like the small hex pattern instead of these like bigger ones. But I think it's a really nice upgrade. I think it's really gonna complement how the front of the car looks. So let's get this clipped on. It should just be the same thing. Clip it back in, put the 6 screws back on. We should be all done. Adding that grille was a major improvement to the front end of this car. It definitely cleans it up. I do like the gloss black. It does look really nice. So let's get this back on the car. We'll pull it out and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so here is the finished product. The grille looks really good. I do like the smaller honeycomb. I do like this gloss black. Really complements the front end. Really makes this thing look just a little bit better. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. Let's get it.